Welcome to Forest Beach in Hilton Head Island, South Carolina. I'm Chris Harrow with Keller Williams Realty. Today we're taking you for a look around this pet-friendly condo complex at Seascape Villas. Check out my other videos to try out the walk to the beach from here. You can also take an interactive, self-guided 3D tour around inside our featured listing at 3209 Seascape. And it's all available to you online along with lots of photos, details, and floor plan. If you've ever been to Hilton Head, sites like the Harbor Town Lighthouse, golf courses, and Atlantic beaches come to mind right away. While there are all kinds of things to do here, the #1 attraction for millions of vacationers each year is the beach. And Seascape Villas is just across the street from it. Seascape Villas were built in 1972. There are about 153 units in here, 1, 2, and 3 bedroom condos. Only 34 are 1 bedrooms, and even fewer are as close to the beach path as our featured listing at 3209 Seascape. A furnished 1 bedroom top floor condo just 1 flight up from the front entrance on South Forest Beach Drive. The 1970s carpet, it's all gone, replaced with luxury vinyl plank. In the kitchen, you have glass tiled backsplashes, full-size appliances, new paint, and views across this wide window spanning the entire back wall. The bedroom has a secure owner's closet as well as additional closet space. Full-size bathroom has a tiled shower tub, copper sink, and built-in shelving. The grounds here include 2 swimming pools, lagoons, as well as a beach cabana for owners and their guests. This is managed by Vacation Time of Hilton Head, which is a local company with a crew that you'll see on site on any given day in a diversity of roles throughout the campus. I hope this quick introduction has been helpful for you. For more information or to schedule time to see our featured listing at 3209 Seascape Villas in person, just give me a call.